The PhaZe 3 field foam has completely flipped the industry upside down. Most scent control products rely on sprays, which actually contaminate your area with chemicals. PhaZe 3 field foam is a skin-safe product that's a foaming agent. We utilize Z technology, and we can 100% cover all exposed skin out in the field. No matter how hard you try, you're going to overheat at some level on the way to your stand. Whether you're sweating or not, the bacterial growth begins. That's the #1 red flag to deer. They understand that's a human and they're gone. PhaZe 3 field foam is the solution. It's a direct-to-skin product that's actually good for your skin. It moisturizes, suppresses the dander, and Z technology permanently entraps the odor molecules as they're being released. PhaZe 3 field foam can save your hunt and is your last line of defense out in the field. All Illusion Systems products come complete with a detailed instructional video series and advanced tips and tactics. Watch them all by downloading the Deer Society app, the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store.